Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to set up out of office reply in Gmail on mobile. So look up at the top left corner of the search bar and tap the three-line menu icon, and the sidebar menu will pop out. So scroll all the way down and then just tap on the settings here. Then guys, from the list you just choose a specific email address you want to set up the auto reply for. Once you are inside your account settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Vacation Responder. So let us just find it. If you can't find that Vacation Responder, as you can see, we can just have this feature named exactly how the title of the video names it, the one that I'm giving you now, which is Out of Office Auto Reply. Click on it, and you'll get this menu, guys. Don't forget that you need to switch this toggle to on first. Then tap on the first day to pick when the automated email should start running. Right, so first day, let's say today, and last day, say this one, right? You can specify your own custom one. And then, of course, just provide your subject, and then, of course, the message body, letting people know you are away and who they can contact for emergencies. And after that, just press down in the top, and you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe if this helped, and don't forget to like the video as well.